Hello, my name is Rajan Arora and welcome to my course Essential of SQL Server Performance for Every Developer. You are watching the video of Module 3 Building Effective Index Part 1 Module Introduction. If you are new to this course, please start it from the course introduction video for better understanding. Thank you. Probably the most important step you can take to make sure the SQL in your application performs well, for which we have to create effective indexes on the table in your database. And that is exactly what we are going to cover in this module. We are going to start off with a revision on index terminology just to make sure that some definitions are fresh in your mind as we go through this module. Second, we will discuss what column in your database you want to create index and why. Then we are going to turn our attention to two characteristics you need to pay attention in order to make sure that your indexes are effective. And those are the order of the columns in the index and the selectivity of your indexes. We will move on and talk about covering indexes and include columns and when those are useful. And then we will discuss the effect of using a function in your where clause and how this affects if SQL Server can use an index for your statement. After that, we will see the concept of over-indexing, which is when too many indexes are created on a table, which slows down DML statements like insert and updates against the table. And then we will wrap up with a discussion about index recommendation provided to you by SQL Server and some advice on how to interpret those. We have a lot of material to cover, so let's go ahead and review some index terminology in the next video. If you like this video, please do share, like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you and see you in the next video.